Welcome to ATP Customs. Today I'm going to feature a bunch of the SUVs I got laying around that I'm building for company trucks for all the guys I know that are struggling with work these days, can't find jobs. So I'm going to build a whole bunch of work trucks and employ a bunch of people and create jobs. So this first one is my 93 Suburban. I got this given to me by my brother, and it now has 510,000 kilometers on it. Tranny, of course, went. It's a 4L60 half-ton Suburban. We got a 3-inch body lift, 35s on 20-inch wheels that are going to get the modular wheels that I put on all my work trucks. Next, we're going to do all the silver on the bottom side of it. I have brand new fenders. I have a new grill for it. All that needs to be replaced. I got a new front bumper, so we're going to try and make this thing go to 1,000,000 miles. And then I have a gentleman who is extremely good at finding hot rods hidden in the mountains, and I'm going to donate this to him so that he can continue to find the hot rods. Then next, we have my plow truck. This is here's this thing, 95 Tahoe. I just did a ton of stuff on this. Brand new wheels, brand new tires, new flares. Had to paint all the rockers. I have a new roof rack, getting all the LED lights mounted in right now. What else did I do to this thing? New shocks, all new U-joints, undercoated everything, brand new transmission with 3 years warranty, 100,000 kilometers. And I have a brand new plow we're just mounting, and then a few interior things. All the window switches got stolen from it from sitting around. So this one will be hitting the road next week. I'm waiting on some headlights. Then I have this one. This is a 96 Suburban 454 4L60 3/4 ton. I just picked up that for a work truck. It's going to be hauling trailers and hauling vehicles. Eventually this will get about a 6-inch lift, 3-inch body lift. Gonna do something silly like maybe a pair of 26s or a set of 26s. And then we have this one. This is a lovely little detail job and possible consignment. It's a 10th anniversary Hummer H1, and I will be doing a full video on all of these vehicles separately soon. Just wanted to give you a rundown on all of them today. Thanks for watching.